Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can delete conversations and chats from your conversation history on Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Consensus AI and there are two ways how you can access your chats. And one way would be to go through that list of recent chats. Let me just refresh this because there has been added another one. And as you can see, you will see all your recent chats and conversations here so that you may click into these three dots and select delete. Confirm by clicking into this button. Option number two, guys, you navigate to your history here on the left hand side, and then you will see that overview in your history. So you may, for example, click into this trash button in the bottom right to delete the given conversation. And then there's also the option to delete a query within a conversation. So if I navigate to that example conversation with the list of studies, research studies here, you can, for example, scroll down to the given reply, and then you will see these three dots. Click into it, select delete query, and then from there, guys, you can delete the entire thread or click into cancel. So that's the other option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.